This is a review of the Breville Joule Oven Air Fryer Pro. This is the brushless stainless steel. So this is a very versatile smart countertop oven that combines air frying, toasting, baking, and more in a compact design. So it's equipped with the Breville's Element IQ system and Wi-Fi connectivity. So it offers precision cooking with the Joule app integration, making meal prep effortless. And here is the app, different cooking modes. So you can select mode. So the main benefits is the smart cooking with, again, the Joule app. It syncs with allows you to control the oven remotely, access guided recipes, and monitor cooking progress via your smartphone. So the Element IQ system uses a smart algorithm to steer power where it's needed to have ensuring even heat distribution. Also has 13 different functions, including air fry, baking, toast, dehydrate, and slow cook. This is the large capacity, so it can accommodate like 9 sliced toast, a 14-pound turkey, or 13-inch pizza. So the air frying delivers crispy results with little to no oil. So it's a healthier way to enjoy fried foods. So this is a more expensive than the standard countertop oven. So, but the smart features and the versatility. So it's more expensive than the standard countertops, but the smart features and the versatility justify the cost. So overall, this is a premium smart countertop appliance that delivers precision cooking with a range of functions. So highly recommended.